Nobody is buying V8 cars anymore, OK? And I find that very sad. I don't want V8s to disappear into the pages of history. So, how's this for an idea? If you're not going to use V8s to power cars, how about using them to power something else? Like, for instance, a food blender. This is what I've got here, in essence. This is the 6.2-litre engine that you would normally put in a Corvette. I see no reason why you couldn't put it in a kitchen. So, here it is. There's the drive shaft going under the petrol tank into the kitchen cabinet. Obviously, you'll have to take out the wedding presents, the fondue sets that you don't want, because in here you've got the diff, which then sends the drive shaft up here and into the blender.
Very good. So what can you blend with it?
I could blend you if I wanted to. But what I'm actually going to do, under this high-visibility shield here, is blend some beef.
Beef?
Beef. Yes, beef. This is going to be a man's V8 smoothie that I'm going to make now. So I'm going to plonk that in there, like that.
Is that beef still got bones in it?
Yes. And then I'm going to put some chilies in. Got a few chilies. This is Bovril. Because that's a V8 man's drink.
That's a collection of manly ingredients. And
yes, I haven't finished yet. Tabasco.
Nice touch. That wasn't... Yeah.
Just a dash of that in there. And I think, for added bite, brick. This is actually a brick. Oh, it's broken, but there we are. I'll pop that in there. OK, now we pop the lid on. Perhaps you could give me a hand with this, Hamid, because it's quite complicated.
You're such a practical man. No, those go on here like that.
So then we do it up.
Is this going to work, or is the top going to come off and we'll have a really hard time explaining to the ambulance people how he's got beef bone antlers stuck in his head? Just worried.
Relax.
Yeah, obviously. Relax when you've got the keys to a V8 blender. Of course.
Yes. Yeah. Right. This is the controls.
Oh, God. Tell me that's not an accelerator pedal.
Yes. Hang on a sec, there's just safety precautions.
Is it loud?
Is it loud, James? Yeah, of course it's loud. Are we ready? So, here we go!
This is in the kitchen at home, yeah? It does make a bit of a racket.
Some of it came out.
Yeah, some of it did. Actually, you know, on the noise, we're used to, like, vacuum cleaners and things at home. So I think you'd grow accustomed to that after a while.
See, the thing is that what I'd like to do is whenever my wife puts the Archers on, which she does round about 7, is I fire up my food blender.
Nice, good.
Can you get the thing off? I'll prepare the glasses.
Yes, of course.
The label.
So this is, it's like a manly smoothie cocktail arrangement.
Exactly.
Oh, this is a moment.
Yes! Yes!
Wow!
Look at that!
That just is the business!
Fantastic and delicious. Right, are we ready?
What a creation.
Here we go.
Get some of the bits.
It needs a name.
We should give it a name. We should call it, Desperate Shag and a Skip.
Try some of that.
Quick one round the back of the dust cart.
I think he likes it.
I've got the name for it.
What?
The Bloody Awful.
Have you tried it?
Yeah.
You haven't. Put it in. Have you?
Yes.
Show me putting it in your mouth, because that will put testes on your chest.
It's put hairs on my eyeballs.
I'm not sure this works. Look, I'm not giving up with this V8 idea, OK? Next week, old people.
You can't blend old people.
No, you know the Stanner stair lift? Very slow. How about a V8 Stanner stair lift? The old lady, she'll be on the bog in half a second.
Yeah, that's it.
That's fantastic. So I'll get working on that.